Today we're reviewing Ruwac's 2 cubic yard pre-separator. This is a self-tipping dumpster. It's 2 cubic yards. It's designed to work with our larger vacuum systems. Today we're pairing this up with a DS2 powerhouse with a 20 horsepower vacuum producer. So this is a completely airtight unit. You do have a lid for emptying, so it's very easy to use. The lid actually comes around and there's some safety chains here that you can connect to the lid, so when you tip it, the lid doesn't flap. You'll see here that you have your inlet connection. This is connected to the vacuum. To remove this hose, you're going to use a wrench and you're going to take the compression coupler off. You have a disconnect for the vacuum hose. This is a button lock fitting. So when you're going to use your vacuum hose, you have a button lock fitting that will very simply fit in there, and that will allow you to put your vacuum hose in and it stays connected. So when you go to empty it, you're going to want to remove the vacuum hose as well. And then when you come around to the back, you'll see in the back here we have forklift pockets. So you can go ahead and pick this up with your forklift from the back. You have a safety chain. The safety chain is going to attach to the forklift, so that keeps the dumpster onto the forklift so it won't accidentally come sliding off. This is a self-weighted dumpster. So you have a lever here. When you release this lever, the dumpster is automatically going to empty, and then it's going to return as well. So you are going to tilt the forks forward just a hair to get it to start to tip. Once it tips back, you just return it and it'll automatically come back. And that lever will automatically catch itself when it comes back. So this 2 cubic yard dumpster is very easy to empty. The vacuum tube, internally we do have a chamber in here that separates the two air, so the material that comes in is going to fall into the dumpster and stay in the dumpster and not travel to the vacuum. So once you're done, you can hook it back up, come around, close the lid. All you're going to have to do is leave the lid in place. That's a 11 gauge construction, so it's extremely durable, extremely heavy duty. These are available in 3 cubic yard, 1 yard, 1.5 yard, and 2 yard, completely airtight to be used with our mid to larger size vacuum systems.